Hey guys, Power Nurse here. Tonight we got a demo of hula hoops. Got these from Power Direct. Let's check it out. Hula hoops. Alright, let's do another one. Hit it. Number 2. Woo! Alright, let's do another one. Let's go. Number 3. Woohoo!
Cut in half.
Alright, cool. Let's do another one. Number 4. Alright, last one. Here we go. Trying to find it.
Got it.
Go. Slow one. Oh, not bad.
Can't end on that. Done.
Nah, we gotta do another one. We need a better one to end on.
Ready?
Alright, we're gonna do 2 at a time now. Here we go. Alright. Oh, they're hitting each other. Oh, God.
I'm ready.
Alright, we're gonna do 5 now. 5 of them. Go. Oh, there's still like 3 that didn't light. Right in the center. 3. Holy shit. That went high as hell. Alright, get the middle. Nope. Too still. I think there's still one more. All right. Have a good night, guys.